Hi, my name is Jim Penn. I'm the manager of retirement services here at VectorVest, and I wanted to take just a few minutes and talk a little bit about the current crypto crisis that we're seeing with the FTX bankruptcy and all that's going on, and some questions that I've seen and I've gotten from our customers and clients talking about crypto as it relates to their retirement portfolios, and does it have a place in retirement. So I wanted to take a little time and talk a bit about that and how here at VectorVest in the retirement services division we feel about that. So it starts, as you know, the FTX company has gone bankrupt. There's been a lot of issues, a lot of lost money there. And I'm looking at an interview that Charlie Munger from Berkshire Hathaway had given about crypto, a long time crypto critic, right? They talk about for Charlie Munger, and he had some interesting quotes about crypto in general and saying it's a bad thing. What's going on with the FTX? The country did not need a currency that was good for kidnappers, is the way Munger put it. And he's pretty straightforward about how he doesn't believe in that. Now, that's fine. And again, I'm talking about this from a retirement minded standpoint. Okay, so he went on to say, you're seeing a lot of delusion, partly fraud and partly delusion, and that's a bad combination. I kind of tend to agree with Mr. Munger on that. Another article I saw recently, it came out of Reuters, and it was regulators circle FTX as rival exchanges try to claim investors. And again, there were some interesting quotes here as well, talking about FTX. Now, some people are taking FTX and saying it's kind of a separate scam or Ponzi scheme, and it's not really related to crypto overall. I tend to believe that it is. And one of the reasons is, a couple of good quotes here, crypto finance, because it is no different than traditional finance in the risks that it exposes, needs to be under the regulatory perimeter. And that came from the Federal Reserve Chair, Brainerd, and said that just last week. Okay, and I believe that the sector is proven to be susceptible to the same risks and should be subject to the same rules. Okay, now I know there are those who don't like regulations and rules, but I really do believe that it's time for crypto to fall under that umbrella. Now, how does that relate in a more general view to your retirement portfolio? So what I want to talk about for just a minute is, using the VectorVest program to build and manage a prudent/conservative retirement portfolio is the way to go. And having crypto or any type of speculative or more aggressive stock in there is really not the road you want to go down. Having said that, if you have the ability to create a portfolio or open up a different account, allocate a few bucks that you might want to put in there, and you want to come into the Unisearch tool and look for, some more speculative or aggressive type of investing, then by all means, go right ahead. You even want to put a few bucks into crypto, go right ahead. Open a separate account and use that money that you're willing to speculate with. Right? We talk about an investment matrix here at VectorVest, and it's based on, we have a lot of different portfolios here in the Unisearch tool: aggressive, speculative, prudent, conservative, and, retirement falls right in between there. And these are the type of stocks that we want to see in your retirement portfolio, and not crypto. For instance, I can go into the prudent search folder here, and I go to ruler stocks, and this is a search within the VectorVest program that focuses on a stock's relative safety. Right? In the VectorVest program, that's a very important proprietary number that tells us how safe a stock is. Does the company make money quarter over quarter, year over year, over time? And you can see in the VectorVest program, using our proprietary numbers on a 0 to 2 scale, that a lot of these stocks are very safe, very good earnings growth rates. If they pay a dividend, we have a dividend safety indicator, tells you the growth and safety of those dividends as well. And this is just one of many ways to find the proper stocks. It just doesn't make sense to take the risk when you talk about crypto and put it in the same sentence as a retirement portfolio. right? We have our retirement portfolios. We have a dividend paying portfolio that's done very well over the years. That's just capital appreciation. That doesn't include dividend payouts. We have a growth portfolio based on ruler stocks that's up about 27% annualized over the last 5 years. So there's a lot of ways to build your retirement portfolio using the VectorVest program. If you want to speculate, listen, go ahead. But based on words of someone like Charlie Munger, I know Warren Buffett has very similar feelings on crypto. You want to speculate, go right ahead, but do it with money that is not associated with what you consider your net worth when it comes to retirement. And if you really do want to get into the crypto, and that is something you feel destined to get into, we can even help you there. Go to the Viewers tab along the main toolbar and come down to the Special Watchlist folder. You're able to open up there and you'll see we have cryptocurrency stocks. We have a list for you. Now, some of these names are very familiar. AMD, NVIDIA, JP Morgan, Visa's on here, MasterCard, IBM. But as you scroll down, you'll start to see some of the more specific crypto type stocks. I'm sure there's some ETFs as well. You know, when you come down here, you look at the overall watch list, relative value, safety, timing, comfort index. These are speculative plays here. I mean, maybe not some of these bigger names, but crypto in general. But if you feel the need to do it, we'll help you out here as well. But in the end, remember, the risk-reward ratio to that is not something that I would advocate, or here at VectorVest we would advocate for the prudent, conservative investor looking to build, grow, and protect their net worth. So keep that in mind. But just wanted to talk about some of the current headlines and how to use VectorVest to help you build a safe, steady retirement portfolio. Thanks, everyone, and we'll see you next time.
Hey, VV Nation, Glenn Tompkins here. And guess what? Everyone loves a deal. So here at VectorVest, we're offering you our Black Friday deal right now from November 14th through to November 26th. It's a 99-cent trial to the VectorVest software. So what do you get for that? You get a 30-day risk-free trial to the VectorVest system. You can have scans to find the best stocks for you, how you invest in the market. We're going to show you how to time the market. That's right, time the market. You have access to over 18,000 stocks globally. We're going to give you free training, and the best news of it all, it's a money-back guarantee. You need to go to www.vectorvest.com/99 to take advantage of this Black Friday special, and you want to do it now.
Yeah.